Yo, today I'm going to Ambitious Whip's meet. I'm about to charge my stuff. I did my first edit. I'll actually screenshot it and I'll post it somewhere on screen right here. But yeah, I did my first edit. Okay. Goodbye.
Niggas say they always real, but they be switching up. Make burritos now, man. You always got to get a seat where you can see your car. Oh yeah. Is that right? Car guy rule.
Girl. Dude, I wish guys would stop doing that. Like, girls like fucking cars too. Like, car guy, car girl, car enthusiast. Just say car enthusiast. Damn.
Mr. Lazy.
What? If the cops ever really rowdy, is that count?
Yeah,
Okay. We said bass though.
there's no bass in the horn.
Damn it, I missed it. They were having like a beep war.
Got the post camera. It looks better for the lighting.
What's my name?
Big T-shirt. I realized
I call you long shirt.
Oh, this is long shirt. This is big.
Long shirt, girl.
The last one was like this short though. They always messing with me. These two.
Like, considering how skinny you are, everything looks big on you, so.
Big T-shirt, girl.
I try to gain weight, okay?
Try. It's failing.
That's not nice. So I'm in the house, but I didn't really vlog that much, but met some cool people there. Finally met the homie. I'll tag him in this picture, but had a great time. Tomorrow, I'm not sure if I'm going to the Autobahn. I'm not sure. I'm trying to save as much money as I can. I spent too much when I shouldn't have. But
so much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.